Now this next problem of ours is an easy problem, but it involves a little usage of a trick. We are given with, in a triangle, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B sin C equals 1, and we have to prove that the ratio of the lengths of the sides A, B and C are 1:1:√2. Now you can think of using the formula of cos A, cos B, or you can think of using sin A, using the relation A upon sin A equals constant, or B upon sin B equals constant, but those things would not work here. Instead, there is a small trick involved. You can write sin C as 1 minus cos A cos B upon sin A sin B. And then you can use this is less than equal to 1, since sin C is always less than equal to 1. So this will become 1 minus cos A cos B is less than equal to sin A sin B. Taking this term to the right hand side, we get cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is greater than equal to 1. This is the formula of cos of A minus B, and we know that cos of A minus B, we are getting cos of A minus B to be greater than equal to 1, but we know that cos of any angle is always less than equal to 1. So the only possibility left is cos of A minus B has to be equal to 1, which makes A equals B. Putting angle A equals angle B over here, we get cos square A plus sin square A sin C equals 1. This becomes sin square A sin C equals 1 minus cos square A, which is equal to sin square A. Hence it gets cancelled out. We get sin C equals 1. Hence C is equal to 90 degrees. A plus B is equal to pi minus C, which is equal to 90 degrees, and we know that A equals B, so we get A equals B equal to 45 degrees. Now we know that in a triangle, A upon sin A equals B upon sin B equals C upon sin C. So A upon 1 by root 2, since angle A is equal to 45 degrees, angle B is also 45 degrees, so B upon 1 by root 2 equals C upon 1, since angle C is equal to 90 degree. This makes A upon 1 equal to B upon 1, or rather root 2A equals root 2B equals C. So we get root 2A upon 1 equals root 2B upon 1 is equal to C upon 1. So A is to B is to C equals 1 is to 1 is to root 2. Hence we get the relation A is to B is to C equals 1 is to 1 is to root 2, and the desired result is proved.